What is blockchain? Let's take a scenario where Alex needs to transfer 100 to John. Alex logs into his bank account and sends instructions to the bank to transfer the money. Bank will record his transaction like debit 100 to Alex, credit 100 to John in a bank ledger. Now think about this transaction, why we need to rely on the third party like bank or Visa or MasterCard when transferring amount. What will happen if the bank says that somehow all our records are showing that there is no money in your account even though you know you have money in your account? Since you have trusted your bank as a single point of contact for your financial transactions, you have to accept this fact or visit branch, file complaint, etc. This the problem. Can't we do transaction ourselves without involving the third party like bank or government, etc.? If you see above transaction, what bank does in this case, just entered an entry in their book. Is there any way where we can do our transaction directly and it is foolproof, has all audit trail and can't be changed, or reversed, or deleted? I hope you got the answer by now, and the answer is blockchain. Now next question, is the chain between two people is enough to transfer money for real life purpose? And the answer is no, you need all those peoples who don't believe in having the third party between transactions. For this video, we'll assume 5 people including Alex, John forming a group. Alex, John, and all participants need to have a notebook to record every transaction. We can say a ledger. In another word, notebook is distributed to everyone in the chain and everybody need to capture the every transaction. This is called distributed ledger, where the same copy is on the every participant's desktop. Whenever Alex will transfer the money to John, he needs to announce to the entire group. Everybody in the chain needs to verify the amount in Alex's account and approve the transaction. Everybody needs to update their notebook ledger like debit 100 to Alex and credit 100 to John. This is the way to keep all the books ledgers in sync. Now once a page of the ledger is full, we have to start a new page. It is like closing the ledger and making a permanent seal with the unique secret key before starting the new page. This process is required so that no one can change the page from now onward. This sealing of the page before creating a new page is called mining. To seal the page, we need a key, and this key is generated by using hash function. In hash function, you pass your page content as input and it will result in an output of fixed length. Hash functions are one of the most important parts of blockchain. Every block needs to hash. Blockchain uses mainly SHA-256 and RIPEMD. The numbers such as 128 or 256 generally refers to the length of the output. The values returned by a hash function are called hash values, hash codes, digests, or simply hashes. Now let's see how it works in the blockchain. Say page has entry debit Alex account 100, and then we are passing this to a hash function along with some number to get output starts with 000. We have to make several attempts to get hash value start with 000. After several attempts, say we got 1986 as a number which we pass along with page content to get output start with 000. This 1986 is secret key and will be used American Samoa a label to seal the page. The process of determining the label number 1986 is called proof of work. This is used to create a new group of trustless transactions on the blockchain. This key forces people not to change the content of the page. If someone tries to change the content, they will not get the same key and they need to start again by copy someone else's book. Now you may have a question, why everyone calculating the key since it's going to be same in all case? This is the way to keep the data integrated, and by the way, the first person calculates the value in case of Bitcoin, gets awarded. And it may happen that value of the key is not coming same for all people. In that case, a value which coming for the majority will be accepted as key. In this example, consider each page as block and series of page forming a chain called blockchain.